Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps from Safari browser in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to download apps from Safari browser, then I'll help you how to download. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, if you have any kind of problem on your app store or not have your Apple ID and want to install your apps without app store, then guys simply you need to open your Safari browser here, and guys here you need to search app that you want to download. So guys, for example, I want to download Instagram, and guys after writing your Instagram name, then guys simply you need to write your app, and guys you need to click on search button, and guys you will see this type of interface. So guys simply you need to click on this first one option, and guys simply you can download from here easily. When you click on this get button, then guys this app will automatically download it in your phone. As you can see, simply you need to click on this get button, and guys after this you need to click on this install, and guys now you can see here that app will be installed in my phone. As you can see, installing is start now. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to download and install apps from Safari browser. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.